we have multiplication trinomial times binomial, because we have 3 terms and 2 terms. And how we do this? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So first we have 2 times this whole term in the second parenthesis, so 1 minus t. Next we have negative t, we copy and we have to multiply by 1 minus t, and the last term is plus t squared times whole expression in the second parenthesis, 1 minus t. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to first distribute 2 over each term in the binomial. Next we have negative t we have to distribute, and t squared we have to distribute. So 2 times 1, we have 2 times negative t, so it will be positive times negative give me negative, times 2 times t. And next we have negative times positive, so it will be negative t times 1. Negative times negative, so it will be positive. We have t times t. And the last term we have positive times positive, so it will be positive t squared times 1. And t squared times negative, so we will be positive times negative give me negative t squared times t. So this is equal 2 times 1 is 2. Negative sign we copy, 2 times t is 2t. Next we have negative sign, t times 1 is 1t we can write. And we have plus t times t is t squared. We copy the base when we have multiplication of the same variables, and we add exponents. So when we don't have exponents, we have invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And we have plus t squared times 1 is t squared, and we have negative sign, t squared times t. So we copy the base, we have variable t, and we add exponents. When we don't have exponents, invisible 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have only one number, 2, so we have to rewrite this. Next we have negative 2t and negative 1t. So they are the like terms because we have the same variables, and both terms are negative, so we will keep the same negative and we just add numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. And now we have to copy the rest. The rest is t in both terms, so we have negative 3t. Negative 2t minus 1t is negative 3t. Next we have t squared plus t squared. It's like invisible coefficient 1 is invisible. So how we add these like terms? We just copy the sign. We have positive and positive, so it will be positive, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Variables t squared we will rewrite. And next we have t to third power. So this is my solution.